Hi friends, now I'd like to give what are the properties of matrices and how do you find those in MATLAB software. Now let us go to MATLAB software. So this is the MATLAB software. Let us take a new script file. Suppose this is one of the script file. Now let us see what are the properties one by one. First, how do you find rank of a matrix? The rank is compatible for square and rectangular, whatever it may be. See the syntax to find the rank RANK of the matrix, where A is any size of the matrix, either rectangular or square matrix. Suppose I will take 2 by 2, 2 by 3 matrix, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So these are the elements. Now let us see what is the rank of A is equal to the syntax rank of A. Once we execute, let us see what we will get. Rank of the matrix A, this is nothing but 2 we are getting. Suppose I will take the square matrix, suppose random 3 by 3 matrix. I am just generating one random matrix, and for that what is the rank? So it is RANK A1. See what is the rank of that randomized matrix. See, this is the A1 matrix, and for that what is the rank A. Now let us see how you find transpose of a matrix. How do you find transpose of a matrix? For that the syntax is the same, TRANSPOSER. Simply you can use apostrophe. This is like this. Suppose let me take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I am just taking one random matrix here. Now let us see what is the transpose of A. Okay. So now transpose of A is nothing but, see, this is, I am using the syntax, suppose transpose of the matrix A. Now once we execute, let us see what we will get. See here, transpose of A. So the matrix A is 1, 2, 3 in each row, and once we take the transpose of that, but suppose in place of that, suppose I will take A remaining output, I will just unhighlight that. Now see what we will get. See here, we are getting the same. So this is how do you find the transpose of the matrix. Next, how do you find determinant of a matrix? A determinant is compatible. For that, A should be the square matrix. So let us take a square matrix A 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So I am just taking one square matrix A. And what is the syntax to find the determinant? To find the determinant, DET is the syntax. So that's why determinant of A is equal to DET of A. So this. See here, we are getting a huge value, 2.2204 into 10 power minus 16. So that means you will get 0.00 something. So it's very less value, negligible value we are getting for this determinant. And suppose I will generate A is equal to random of, suppose 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, and for that case what you will get? See, for that case what is the determinant? I am just executing this file and see 0.0227. So this is how do you find determinant using the syntax DET. Now see, trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements. Sum of the diagonal elements. So for that, suppose I will take a simple example, the matrix A. Now what is the syntax to find the trace of the matrix is TRACE. So this is the trace of the matrix A. Now this is the matrix. Now let us see what is trace of A. So output is equal to, see, let us see, So this is the matrix A, 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4. Trace is nothing but addition of diagonal elements, 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 9. So this is how do you find trace. But to find the inverse, we need to know what is the adjoint and what is the determinant. So for that, see adjoint of matrix. To find the adjoint, this is the syntax ADJ OINT. So this is the syntax to find that square matrix. Now I will use the same square matrix A, and for that, see what is the output for the adjoint of A. Once we execute, see, so this is the adjoint output of adjoint. Suppose output of adjoint, see, this is the adjoint of a matrix. Now suppose for the same matrix, how do you find inverse? So to find the inverse, this is the syntax INV of A, or you can use the backslash in some system of equations, not for finding inverse separately. Now here you can find inverse in two different ways. One is using adjoint A. Inverse of A is equal to adjoint of A by determinant of A. This is one, and inverse of A is the another format. Suppose it's simply INV of A. I am taking the two syntaxes. Let us see what is the difference we are getting. See, this is, we are getting the same 1 into 10 power 16, 1 into 10 power 16. So this is how you are getting the inverse. We are getting the different results for these in adjoint of A, because its determinant value is a different. Adjoint of A by det A. I'll take the simple equation. I think this is not the good one. See, suppose A is equal to 1 2 5 2 0 1 6 2 7. So this is one example. Now for this matrix, let us see what we'll get. Now observe here, this is the inverse, -1 -4 2 in a first column. Here also, now it's showing clearly what it's. By taking the two different syntaxes, we are getting the same. Now let us see how do you generate triangular matrices. You just pick out a triangular matrix of certain matrix. Suppose A is equal to, I will take 1 1 1 1, 4 by 4 matrix I am taking. Yes, this is the 4 by 4 matrix A. And for this, I would like to find out what is a lower triangular. Lower triangular is nothing but the syntax is TRIL of A, and upper triangular. For that, the syntax is TRIL of A. This is TRI of U. Now once we execute, let us see what it is showing. See, this is the matrix. This is the matrix A for that lower triangular. That means above the diagonal entries are zeros, and upper triangular means below the diagonal entries are zeros. But suppose if you would like to generate above the diagonal one more principal above diagonal and one below diagonal should also be appear in a resultant. And for that, what syntax we have to use? It's simply A comma K and triangular U of A comma K. It's nothing but, see here, TRIL of A comma 1. It means that, see, once execute, this is 1 2 3 4. This is the diagonal. Above the diagonal, one more principal diagonal above the diagonal, 1 2 3, one more above diagonal also appearing here. The same way, suppose you would like to remove this, see, observe here, diagonal entries are also 0. This is 2 3 4 with a -1. In the same way, you can apply for upper triangular if you want to generate with the below diagonal and lesser that value. So this is, friends, what are the properties and how do you execute in